Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I have a list of herbs and spices for you that are known to go well with avocado. I do hope this helps you out in some way. First of all, we have basil, cayenne, so they're good with a little heat, cilantro, chili powder, coriander, cumin, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, lemon verbena, mint, miso, oregano, paprika, parsley, pecans, pepper as in black pepper, salt, sesame seeds, sorrel, and wasabi. Well, I do hope this helps and gives you some new ideas on how you can flavor avocado. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.